What if the only thing stopping you is you? Growth isn't gentle, it's a wrecking ball. That weak excuse-making version of yourself, it's gotta go. Burn every doubt, every bad habit, and step into solitude to rebuild. No one's coming to save you, this is your fight. Your strongest self is waiting on the other side of destruction. Torch the old you today, start now, no excuses. Why are you still carrying yesterday's baggage? Real change means no turning back. Cut the ropes, doubts, regrets, old routines, and let them sink. Stop chasing closure. The past doesn't deserve your energy. Your future's calling, unshackled and free. A dead past births a limitless tomorrow. Walk away from yesterday, declare it done, and charge forward. Legends don't follow crowds, do you? Greatness loves silence, alone distractions fade, and your true strength shines, not what the world expects. Think Jobs, Ali. They carved their paths solo. Solitude isn't lonely, it's powerful. Isolation builds the unbreakable. Step away from the noise, find your power alone today. Comfort's killing your potential, feel that? Weakness grows in ease, but strength thrives in struggle. Pain's not the enemy, it's your coach, smashing procrastination and forging resilience. Choose the hard road, it's where warriors are born. Discomfort unlocks your inner fighter. Ditch the easy path, embrace the grind now. Your thoughts, are they chains or wings? What you believe shapes your world. Scrap I can't for I am capable. Cut negativity, visualize victory. Your mind's a machine, reprogram it. Transformation starts up here first. A new mindset builds a new reality. Rewire your brain today, think power, not limits. Who's dragging you down right now? Your circle shapes your fate. Toxic people, drama, complainers, they're energy thieves. Slash them out. Surround yourself with strength and winners. Growth demands a clean slate. Negativity's a virus. Quarantine it. Drop the dead weight. Choose your crew wisely now. Success isn't luck, it's a schedule. Motivation's a spark. Habits are the fire. Craft a routine that pushes you forward. Simple, consistent, chaos-free. Master your days and your future falls in line. Discipline turns dreams into victories. Start your routine today. Own your time, own your life. Feelings running the show? Take the wheel. Emotions can sink you or fuel you. Discipline isn't feeling good, it's acting smart, pausing before reacting. Silence beats impulse, focus beats chaos. Control your emotions, control your destiny. Pause, think, act, be unshakable starting now. Who are you, really? Your past isn't you, it's a shed skin. Act like the person you want to be, raise your bar, ditch old labels. Reinvention's a daily flex. The world sees it when you believe it. You're not who you were, you're who you choose. Step into your new self today, commit and transform. Waiting for a hero? Look in the mirror. No one's coming, stand on your own. Trust your gut, solve your mess, ditch the crutches. Independence isn't just freedom, it's power, unshaken by the world. Self-reliance is your ultimate strength. Own your path now, rely on you and rise. Pain's hitting hard. Ready to flip it? Pain doesn't break you, it builds you. It's a teacher, a fuel source. The great ones turn scars into strength. Embrace it, learn from it, and watch it propel you. Suffering's the forge of the unstoppable. Use your pain today, let it power your comeback. Talent's overrated, grind wins. Success doesn't care about gifts, it bows to effort. Show up, outwork everyone, love the hustle. Discipline trumps motivation, your future's counting on it. Relentless beats raw ability every time. Work harder today, your future self demands it. Quitters feel pain, winners push through it. Pain's universal, persistence isn't. Train your mind to outlast obstacles. Quitting's a choice you can unlearn. Resilience isn't luck, it's who you become. Never quitting marks the unbreakable. Face the wall today. Push past it and grow. Failed again? Good, here's why. Failure's not the end, it's intel. Those who don't quit see it as a tweak, not a tombstone. Every fall's a lesson pulling you closer to the win. Setbacks are your roadmap to success. Learn from failure now, keep moving forward. Want it fast? Tough luck, greatness waits. Breakthroughs test your grit, they're slow, not instant. Most bail when results lag, but winners stay the course. Time's your ally if you don't quit. Patience builds empires. Stick with it today. Every step counts. that little voice saying stop. Hear it? Your brain loves excuses, too tired, too weak. Shut it down, they're lies of the frail. Act anyway, discipline, not feelings, drives the win. Doubt's a liar, your actions prove the truth. Crush doubt now, move with purpose. Motivation's gone? Good, here's what works. Feelings flake, discipline doesn't. It's your anchor when the storm hits, keeping you steady when quitting calls. Build it, it's your bedrock. Discipline's your real fuel. Rely on discipline today, stay the course. Waiting for the perfect moment? Stop. Perfect's a myth. Winners dive in messy. Quitters stall, doers adjust on the fly. Progress beats planning when you're bold enough to start. Action now trumps waiting forever. Start today. Messy's where magic happens. Struggling? That's your power growing. Hardships a forge, weak crumble, strong rise. Each fight's a chance to stack resilience, turning pain into progress. It's your maker, not breaker. Challenges sculpt the strong. Face the struggle now, build your strength. Talented but stuck? Here's the fix. Talent quits, obsession doesn't. Burn plan B, lock in. Relentless beats gifted when the heat's on. Drives your ace, not natural flair. Obsession's your winning card. Get obsessed today, outlast the talented. Pressure's on. What's it showing? Tough times strip the mask. Do you fold or fight? Your response defines your success, proving grit when others crack. It's your mirror. Adversity's your truth teller. Rise up now. Show who you are. Doubting yourself? That's the real killer. Failure doesn't end dreams. Doubt does. Quitters stop believing. Winners keep pushing. Persistence beats all. Rewards come to the steadfast. Belief outlives setbacks. Kill doubt today. Stay in the fight. Pain's hitting. Ready to use it? Pain's not a wall, it's rocket fuel. The biggest wins hide behind the hardest fights, most quit too soon. Pay the price, claim the prize. Pain's the toll to greatness. Push through pain now. Victory's close. Not the smartest? Doesn't matter. Brains and brawn lose to grit. Show up daily, outlast everyone. Persistence trumps talent every time. It's not skill, it's will. Never quitting beats everything. Keep showing up, win with endurance. Pain screaming, look past it. Pain's temporary, purpose is forever. Lock onto your why, it bends suffering into strength. Quitters focus on hurt, winners chase meaning. Purpose powers the unstoppable. Anchor to your why today, rise above. Old you's dead. Ready to prove it? Lazy, doubtful you? Gone. Act like the new you daily. Discipline births transformation. Thoughts, habits, moves, align them with power. Action builds the new you. Live it now. Transform through doing. Shouting your plans? Stop. Here's why. Greatness brews in quiet. Don't spill your goals. Privacy cuts distraction, sharpens focus. Let results scream when you're ready. Silence is your secret weapon. Work quiet today, shock the world later. Drained? Check who's stealing your spark. Energy's your gold, guard it fierce. Toxic vibes, noise, distractions, slash them. Fuel growth, not garbage, your future's at stake. Protecting energy protects your destiny. Cut the drain now. Stay sacred, stay strong.